In this video, we'll walk through an overview of the Unleashed Warehouse Management app and how it helps streamline your warehouse operations. Unleashed Warehouse Management is a mobile-first application designed to support warehouse teams on the floor. It works alongside Unleashed Inventory Management, with actions like receiving, picking, and transfers syncing in real time back to Unleashed. This means your stock levels are always up to date, without needing manual updates or reconciliation. The Warehouse Management app is designed for everyone in your team on the floor, from operators, pickers and packers, and stock controllers. If your team is currently using paper pick lists, spreadsheets, or disconnected tools, this app replaces those processes with a single, simple workflow. The key benefit is efficiency, helping your team work faster, more accurately, and with fewer errors. Plus, the real-time sync between Unleashed and the app ensures your business always has a single source of truth for stock levels, even across multiple warehouses and locations. We'll start with receiving goods. When stock arrives, users can scan items directly using their mobile device. The system validates quantities against expected deliveries and updates inventory immediately once received, so stock is reflected in Unleashed as soon as it's processed in the app. After receiving, the app guides users to assign stock to specific bin locations, ensuring each item is stored and tracked accurately within the warehouse. Warehouse management supports detailed location tracking, such as aisle, rack, or bin, allowing you to structure your warehouse to suit your operations. This improves visibility and makes stock easier to find during picking. Next, we move to order picking. Pickers follow guided pick lists within the app, scanning each item to confirm accuracy. Barcode scanning ensures that the correct product is selected every time. When scanning, simply tap the Scan Barcode option and position the barcode clearly within your device's camera view. The app will capture it automatically. For best results, make sure the barcode is clearly visible and in focus. You can also use the scanner test feature in the app to confirm your device can reliably scan different barcode formats, or to troubleshoot any issues before using it in live warehouse workflows. In the app, picked orders move into the packing stage, where they're grouped and reviewed, providing a final checkpoint before dispatch. This step provides an additional validation point to reduce errors. In addition to fulfillment workflows, the app supports internal stock movements. You can transfer stock between bin locations within the same warehouse, with all changes reflected instantly in Unleashed. You can also perform stock checks directly in the app, allowing you to quickly scan and verify stock levels against what's recorded in Unleashed. This gives you immediate visibility of any discrepancies, so they can be investigated and resolved through separate stock adjustment processes. To summarize this overview, key features of Unleashed Warehouse Management include mobile barcode scanning for fast processing, multi-bin and multi-warehouse location management, real-time inventory synchronization with Unleashed, guided picking and packing workflows, and stock transfers and checks on the go. Together, these features help create a more efficient and controlled warehouse environment. By digitizing your warehouse processes, Unleashed Warehouse Management helps you reduce manual errors, improve picking accuracy, increase fulfillment speed, and maintain accurate real-time inventory, ultimately leading to better operational efficiency and improved customer outcomes.